As I said before, if you insert any node here, for example, a fault, this is our fault, and we can make it a width, more chaos. And as you can see, this is our 2D image. White are up and our false black area are down, 0 height, and it makes like this. If you want to invert your height map, you can simply invert it. And as you can see, it invert. If you turn it off, as you can see, our false are going up. So this is the invert node. You can use it here, or if you want to separate node, you can use invert node here. Just connect output of the phone to the input of the invert and invert it for you. And as you can see, it does not have any turn on or off invert. I prefer use this, but if you want to use a separate node, it's very useful to invert the height map, invert the mask. It's very useful. You can use it if you want. Hello, my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.